listen. In Vedic tradition, we even use herbs. So many things to experience Shivoham, to experience the Advaitic oneness, to awaken Kundalini. First time ever, I am going to reveal that science experientially to all of you in Cambodia Inner Awakening, using the yantras, herbs, mantras, like Patanjali says, Mani Mantra Aushadha, using all the three, Mani Mantra Aushadha, using herbs, yantras, mantras, to give you the experience of Shivoham, the largest yantra ever built on the planet Earth, to experience the Advaitic oneness is Cambodia. And the greatest mantra, Shivoham, oneness with Mahadeva, and the ultimate yantra, Cambodia, ultimate mantra Shivoham, and ultimate tantra technique, the master's presence. Technique, the master's presence. When all the three merges, the real alchemy happens. Shivoham. The whole Cambodia is going to reverberate with the truth Shivoham. First time, the whole program is going to be directly working on experiencing the transcendental state of Shivoham. Transcendental experience of Shivoham. No theories, no theologies, no philosophies. Direct experience. No theories, no theologies, no philosophies. Direct experience. The whole 21 days, it is going to be directly experiencing. Kriyas, mudras, bandhas, pranayamas, the Siddha herbs, everything is going to be used to awaken your Kundalini Shakti, to give you the experience of Shivoham, especially working on your third eye, awakening your third eye. The Cambodia Inner Awakening is not going to be anything to do with society. It is nothing to be completion with others. It is nothing to do with others. It is just something to do with only you and cosmos. It is nothing to do with you it is nothing to do with between you and the humanity. It is something to do with only between you and the cosmos. The mystical dimensions of Shivoham, not just the intelligent dimension of Advaita, energy dimension of Advaita. Understand? The present inner awakening is more intelligence dimension of Advaita, making you live peacefully, blissfully, happily with you, within you and with others who are around you, and completing with all of them, and causing your reality, others' reality using the intelligence. Intelligence is the first priority. But the whole Cambodia inner awakening, the energy is the first priority. Shakti. The Shakti of Advaita. The mystical powers of Advaita. Mystical experiences of Advaita. The trance of Advaita. The word trance is abused in English, so I should use the word transcendental space. The Samadhi. The word trance is used in English like a psychedelic states you experience after taking drug. So I don't want to use that word. That word has already been spoiled. I'll use the word transcendental, Advaitic space, transcendental, Advaita Anubhava. So the mystical experience, mystical experience, understand, the mystical experience dimension of Advaita. The power dimension of Advaita. You are going to experience that. You are going to experience that. Experience the powerfulness of Shivoham. Through the transcendental state of Advaita, transcendental experience of Advaita. Only when you experience the powers of Advaita, you will have a complete trust and completion over Advaita, I tell you. Just the intelligence, you may think, oh, it's out of my intelligence I did. You will forget the intelligence came from your Advaitic understanding. But powers, you will never be able to forget. Let us experience Advaita from the dimension of its powers.